What's going on, guys? I'm here to talk about my story and my journey for penis enlargement and getting a bigger penis. I'm going to reveal to you a secret about penis enlargement for all of you who want to get a bigger penis. A proven, safe, and effective way to naturally add 3 to 4 inches guaranteed. Forget about the crazy wacko creams and especially the dangerous stretching, pulling, and other unproven methods. I've tried everything and documented it to my website so you can check it out later. But the thing is, I finally found something that really works. In my opinion, this is way more superior and far more effective than any of the other penis enlargement products I've tried. Using this method, you can grow your erection in both length and girth with guaranteed results. Increase your stamina so that you regularly last from 30 to 45 minutes. Give your wife or girlfriend multiple orgasms each time you have sex. And that is just the very beginning. This is a life-changing system that teaches simple but highly effective techniques you can use at home to add 3 to 4 inches. So type this link into your browser and don't waste any of your time. Start growing now.